Redmi, a subsidiary of Chinese mobile phone manufacturer Xiaomi, released the Note 12 Pro 4G into the Kenyan market in April 2023. The device comes packaged in a white box with images of its screen and back printed on the front. The left and right sides of the box has the name of the device as well. The top of the box is plain, while the bottom has security tags that enable tracking of the phone in the event of theft or loss. The back of the box is plain. Inside the box, you find the device mounted on a cardboard cutout. Under the cutout, you find a smaller packaging which has the SIM key mounted on it. Inside the packaging is a set of instruction manuals and safety guides for the device. A clear protective case stored within a plastic sleeve is also found inside the packaging. The box also contains a USB Type-C 2.0 charging cable and a 67-watt fast charging power brick. The Note 12 is 6.46 inches long, 3 inches wide, and is 0.34 inches thick. It has a total weight of 201.8 grams. The screen is a 6.67-inch AMOLED glass display with 120 Hz refresh rate. It has a base brightness of 700 nits and a peak brightness of 1100 nits. The screen-to-body ratio is approximately 86%, with a screen resolution of 1080 pixels by 2400 pixels. The pixel per inch density is approximately 395. The device comes pre-installed with the Android 11 operating system, which is updatable to the current Android 13. It also has the MIUI 13 custom skin. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G chipset. It has an octa-core central processing unit split between 2 Cryo 470 Gold processors and 6 Cryo 470 Silver processors. The graphics card is an Adreno 618. The device's internal storage is 256 GB with a RAM of 8 GB that can be further expanded to 11 GB. The front-facing camera is a wide-angled 16-megapixel lens that shoots high-definition video at 30 frames per second. The main camera at the back is a 108 megapixels wide-angle lens with an ultra-wide lens of 8 megapixels, a macro lens that's 2 megapixels, and a depth lens that's 2 megapixels. Browsing, gaming and media playback on the device are all seamless thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate of the display. The Note 12 is powered by a 5000 mAh non-removable battery and is recharged using a 67-watt fast charging power brick. Head over to www.harperkenya.com to read the full review of the Redmi Note 12 Pro 4G.